All right, here we go. Welcome to the program. Here's your boy Forex Noipi, and today $500 account challenge update tayo, no? Dahil end of the week na, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga trades na nangyari dun sa $500 account challenge na ginawa natin. And of course, syempre, most of the trades that I took here sa $500 account challenge natin ay the same trades na tinake ko dun sa isang portfolio ko, which is really my invested portfolio. Pero bago ang lahat, mag-intro muna tayo. Pasok! Alright, welcome back to my channel. Here's your boy Forex Noipi. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to at magugustuhan mo naman, please don't hesitate to subscribe and click the like button and comment down below na rin if there are other educational Forex topics na gusto mong malaman from this channel. Again, ang video na to ay to update lang doon sa $500 account challenge natin. Kung hindi mo pa napapanood ang origination na yon, I will post the link or the caption right on top. At panoorin mo na lang kung saan tayo nagsimula at kung nasaan na tayo ngayon. Okay, so ang purpose ko lang sa paggawa ng $500 account challenge is para mapakita ko sa inyo na you can indeed get a $500 account grow. Alright, so ngayon, pakita ko sa inyo, ito na yung account balance natin coming off from the $500 account challenge. 769.87 cents na siya as of this writing. And napakita ko ngayon yung history ng trades natin. As you can see naman, sa taas, it is a real account na ginamit natin para sa challenge na to. Okay? So, ano-ano yung trades na tinake natin for this week? Tingnan natin.
3 hours later.
Alright, so nandito tayo sa history ng portfolio natin. As you can see, I took 10 trades this week. Ang total profit ko yata this week is $7 and some cents dito sa portfolio na to. It's not bad. Honestly, it's a 50% win rate kung makikita nyo. Pero ang gusto kong i-highlight dito is yung mga wins ko versus my lost trades. Okay? Wait lang. I-zoom natin. Alright guys, so kung makikita nyo, this is $7.38 win for the week, equivalent to 50% win rate. Pero meron ako isang trade dito that I won for $15.63. Ang risk ko dito per trade is only 1.3%, which is conservative compared because I only have $500 on the account, right? To begin with. So I keep my trades there, tapos pag napaabot ko na siya ng 1,000, then of course the 1.3% will become 1.5 as I move along para medyo mas speed up natin, no? So this is really small compared to the earnings and wins I had last week. Medyo mahirap ang trading week this week. Medyo naging unpredictable yung markets. I did not change the style of trading except I had more breakout strategies na ginawa ko for this week. Okay? So, kita nyo that my losing trades, my highest is $8.55, and on my winning trade, my highest is $15.63. So, basically, anong pinapakita ko dito is okay lang na 50% lang ang win rate ko this week. So, as long as I get more money on my wins and I lose less money on my losses, right? So, I took a trade from gold this week and it lost $3.26. So, minimal lang siya, no? So, Yun ang tinatawag nating risk management, right? So you want to capitalize on that ability and make sure that you manage your trades well enough and understand if you're going to move out of the market already or just let it hit your stop loss or TP. Alright? Minsan, sasabihin sa'yo ng price action yun. Okay? Alright. So, enough of that. Let's talk about the trades that I took and the summary of the trades that I took for the week. Alright? Alright. So, mga kanoypi, this is one of the losing trades that I took. This was today, no? And this is from GBP USD. And I followed my rule. I see that the trading or the price is trending downwards. So, nung nandito na ako, I took it here in this area, binuga natin. I took it here in that area. Tapos, ang concept ko nito is kung bakit ko siya tinig is because I saw that this is a resistance area. No? Or support actually. It is a support area, this one. Gagana. Ayaw gumana ng support. Hoy, bakit? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Bakit ayaw mong mag-drawing? Ayan. So, this is a support. Tapos, the price broke support. Right? When it broke support, I took the trade on the retest. Doon. So, ang nangyari, it created a pin bar. Kung makikita nyo, it's like a doji bar, no? So, it's really confident that it will push to the downside. Tapos, I have no hesitations. I took my stop here in this area, just above the support or resistance level, which is ito. I took it there, no? Yung stop loss ko. And, the price went down and then rallied back up in that area and stopped me out, right? And then bumaba ulit siya, and then now here, and ayun. So, nawala ako sa trade. So, I'm really happy with this trade. To be honest, Kanoypi, masaya ako na tinake ko tong trade na to. Kasi I followed my rule. I followed my rule and I got stopped out for $8.55, which is absolutely okay. Kung sana, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin sa sarili ko na sana inangat ko na lang ng konti yung stop loss ko, edi mas malaki yung risk ko noon, di ba? I should have done my stop loss here at malaki yung risk ko noon para sa $500 account. And I would not have done that. So, sayang, oo, pero it is what it is, right? I followed my rule and I'm happy about it because I followed my rule. Right? So, kung makikita natin dito, there are a lot of rejections on this support area. Dow is serving as resistance. Will I take another short para sa pound US? Hindi. Ang dahilan nun ay dahil Friday na and the market is about to close in a few hours at alam ko na hindi naman magrarally pababa dito yung price. And I don't want to pay a swap fee. No? So, if the price remains and, stays ranging here on Monday, probably I'll take it. Probably. But not a guarantee. Still a possibility. Okay? So, pumunta naman tayo sa isa kong winning trade. So, this trade is my biggest loser for the week. Okay? Let's go to my biggest winner. Alright. So, dito tayo sa biggest winner ko, which is USD JPY. And I took a profit here for $15.63. At ang risk to reward ratio ko dito is 3.86. Right? And the reason why I took this trade is nakita ko this big wick right here, and then etong support na to, and ito. So, when this price was currently ranging dito sa area na to, and then, nung nakita ko that it went back here, I took a trade. I took a trade for 0.8 lots kasi mababa lang yung risk ko nito. And I was very happy about this trade kasi nag-set lang ako ng take profit in this area. So, I set a take profit dito sa area na to, and I did not trail my stops whatsoever because it's 3.86 risk to reward, right? What is there to ask for? So, I'm very confident about this trade, but again, because my risk is very low, kung hindi ko makuha yung win, okay lang. Kasi again, my risk is low. Alright? So, I followed my strategy here. Again, I saw that the price is trending upward. Tapos, pag tinignan natin yung Edge Finder Pro, USD/JPY has a very bullish bias. Plus, the economic and fundamental analytics and matrices are very positive to the dollar. So, that's the reason why I took this trade. Alright? So, ayun lang mga Kanoypi. No? I don't wanna go through the other 8 trades anymore, pero nabanggit ko naman ang pinaka-importanting part ng video na to is para makita nyo that if you have a small amount of capital, you can grow that capital slowly. Basta all you need to do is to follow your rules of trading. Okay? Follow your rules and don't be emotional. Just stick to what you have done in the first place. Practice it. Be consistent. And I guarantee you, you will become profitable. Kahit $1 lang yung nakuha ko for this week, it's still a win. At least hindi ako drawdown. Right? I only got $7.38 compared to my previous week, which is like $40+. No? Ngayon, it's not so good of a week, pero that's okay. Alright? So, sana may natutunan kayo dito, mga Kanoypi. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to at kung may tanong ka, may request ka, may gusto ka matutunan, whatsoever, please subscribe and comment down below. Pakishare na rin, no? Meron din tayong TikTok account na kung gusto nyo akong makita doon na nagpapatawa lang doing my day in the life whatsoever, ang pangalan ko doon ay Forex Noypi din. Please consider following me. That will help me become more inspired into doing such educational Forex videos para sa ating mga kababayan. Alright? So, until my next video, happy weekend sa inyo and happy trading!